So I did some editing a while ago and didn't like the way my GoPro came out, especially on Magics. It was blotchy after the second or third clip. Just didn't look good at all. I'm not sure what happened, if it was a codec issue, if the bit rate was too strong for the machine. Never know with GoPro. But when I use DJI into that editor, I never know with DJI if the program is going to just work 100% all the time. I'll be editing down the road and all of a sudden I get a crash just like that. And it happens unexpectedly. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining the show. Appreciate you stopping by. Oh yeah, let's get on going, have some talk. I watched the video and man, I don't know. If I made a pre-order, that means I'm giving that company money in advance for something that I'm not going to have for a while. So do I do pre-orders anymore? I don't think so. Because if you have second thoughts, can you get your money back? Do you get charged stocking fee? Are you telling the company that you don't like it? I don't know. And who do you pre-order from? The main company to get the best price? Or just wait for the next time to sale? We don't have to be the kid on the block that gets it first. What's that saying? I just can't get that saying out anymore. I'm in a decision of I'm going that route for certain things. So if you see me, my brother out there, don't get worried. Just, hey, say hello to him. Ah, a free Lego chest. Yeah, that was a giant Lego chest. Let me hit back. Oh, that's free. Oh, man. Build big Legos with that, right? Giant Legos. Yeah, I watched this video, and it was about the Lego Hotel on the Influencers channel. And he did a great job, man. He showed that place. He showed everything with the family and all. Oh, man. That was like, I wish I was a kid again. Man, I'd be enjoying my fun over there 24/7. Well, with the DJI Action 3 and my wireless mic that I got on, and I really need to go get myself a USB-C to TRS cable for the reason of, I could talk a little bit earlier and not waste all that battery just wasting 3 to 5 seconds of video. I wish I could have more power to the USB port, but I can't. So yeah, let's go have some talk. We'll go find another spot to talk. People exercising in the park right where I'm at. Oh man, everybody's up and at 'em, having a great time indeed, enjoying the summer, and it's freezing out still. I mentioned how slow can you go on the Pine, as well as the scooter, doing it in cruise control. No throttle, no nothing. You can only do up to 2 miles per hour, meaning if you go under 2 miles per hour, it's not going to go, because that's the area where you get on the scooter and you give just the slightest push, it'll go 1.8. 1 mile per hour is like this. You hardly even see you going. You're not even going to see movement. 2 miles per hour on the bike is basically like this. And you are trying your best to hold your balance and all. And on a scooter, it may be just as easy, but on the Pine, it's harder because you're trying to balance yourself and get that thing to crawl. Now, with the scooter, the start off point of going, you must push up to 1.8 miles per hour. And I'm not sure that holds true for the Pine. And that's the reason why we can't go 1 mile per hour on a scooter, Pine, or any electric vehicle. I have a song, it's playing in my head. Rejection. rejection. And I forget the whole tune. When I shut this off and somewhere else later on down the road, it'll come back to me. And revisions, man, that's what's happening for the past number of times. And I just can't understand why rejections and revisions come about when you disclose personal information. What personal information? Wasn't anything personal when you're just doing a little scene shot and things like that. So yeah, I gotta redo some stuff over. Not a big deal. Now, if I don't do things right, tell me. I don't mind. We all like to be corrected. I learn from my mistakes. I try my best. I know that anything that's a little square is not going to be round. Presents. Oh, man, everything's around. A lot of presents around. Not presents. Presents. See that bird? That dove just flew? There he goes, man. I got 3 of them by my house. And man, they are pigs. They'll eat everything away, just like that. They'll eat all your seeds away, man. I'm gonna go, take a look, see if the sun's gonna rise. A lot of moisture in the air, cold. It's so cold that the fingers, and yeah, I don't know. Let me get off this little horizon balance, rock steady, unstabilized road. Just missed that boat, and it's pretty much high tide. Seagull's got his oyster, and the sun's coming up, just about getting past the clouds, man. It's like a summer's day. Time for me to get on out of here and go continue on. Yeah, just can't find a good spot. Can't do a good talk. So it's my bike vlog. Getting more exercise than I wanted to. Oh, exercise is good. I get more exercise in the summer and I get more exercise in the winter. I get exercise all the time. So the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, the DJI Action 4, the GoPro Hero 12, the Insta361 RS2. I don't think there's going to be a name like that because they did the RS, they did the R. What other name can they go? They probably put another initial there, the RSV, something like that. I don't know. I'm just saying. Well, the Sony Mark II, the ZV-1, it's really not the best buy because it's double the price of the old one being on the market for over 3 years. Really no improvements. People are just not happy with how Sony went about making that camera. No, it's not an insult to the people. It's just that they're expecting something that was supposed to be like this, and they're all let down. That's how I see it. And I don't think I'm going to take that $1,000 or even take $700 and give it to anybody else. I'm just going to take that money, put it away where it's supposed to be. I got my vlogger's camera, the Action 3. I got my review camera, the ZV-1F. What more do I need? I'll make it do. I'm going to, maybe work on my gear, make my gear better, not my actual camera. I think if I really wanted the camera, you're gonna have to spend that $5,000. Just have that perfect stabilization, that perfect product review, that perfect defocus, and the whole 9 yards. Nothing's perfect in life. Even the perfect cameras are not perfect. But don't get me wrong. Please, don't get me wrong. I may just buy it, just for the hell of it. So I can say, hey, look, I got it. But I will maybe think about it of the ZV-1 and the ZV-1 Mark II, and what I need to put to the one and what the Mark II has, and add it up to see how much $150 adds to the price of the camera. I'm gonna add up everything at the one to make it a two, and then to see if it's worth just go get the two and use it for the extra 2mm. What is 2mm? That nobody uses zoom that is 18 to 50. What is 18 to 50 zoom? It's not much. How far can I zoom in? 2 times? 3 times? What's the actual optical of 18 through 50? 2.7? Definitely gonna have a change. Definitely gonna do that. I got my plan what to do. And I'm not talking about cameras of Sony ZV-1 Mark II. I'm just talking of a plan that I'm gonna do for me. Yeah, I think it's gonna work. Really am. Well, I did say a lot in my vlog, and I did talk a lot in my vlog. I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot. Well, what more can I say? I can say more, but why say more when you said it all? I'm Fish, and I'll catch you on many other videos to come. Oh, there's a lot happening, a lot to do. I gotta get back to work, get my things done. I gotta share it to the world. Have a great day.